Welcome back to Daytime
Appetite.
Live.
Appetite.
It's game time. And we are going to play Dufton Shepherd. Let's play.
You're going to play Dufton Shepherd?
We're going to play Dufton Shepherd. Before that, though, guess the celebrity baby. So we'll put up a childhood photo of a celebrity, and we have to guess which celebrity it is. Now, whoever guesses the most wins. Are you ready, Mr. Dufton Angus Shepherd?
No, so right now, I'm writing.
Has anybody called you Angus yet?
Hold on, no. I'm writing Duffy versus.
Okay, so the first picture.
R&R versus R&R.
Who's R&R?
Roman Reason, are you? First picture. Memories.
That is Tiffany Haddish.
Tiffany Haddish.
I said it, you didn't say it. Thank you, one for me. Hey, Tiffany, I love her.
Hey, Tiffany grew up too, you know.
She what?
Yes,
she glowed up with Common.
Yeah,
I'm like,
yes.
yes.
She's Common?
Common.
Common?
Yes.
But
she's not Common, guys. She's dating the rapper, actor.
You know, say, come on, I go on that thing.
Come on.
Come on, I walk on and come on, I collect, boy, come on.
The next one. You said come on. Oh. Wait, let me see.
Jack the Ripper? No, ma, hold on.
I'm struggling.
Mark Wahlberg?
Lies, Tommy.
Listen to me.
Money made you, Tom.
Let me tell you this.
Tom.
I am positively sure. I am positively sure the first time he went to the dentist, as him open him mouth, the dentist said Mission Impossible. You can't tell me no.
What is wrong with you, comedian? Angus.
Next picture.
The next picture we have.
Oh, Snoop.
No.
Snoop. That's Snoop.
But I said it. He's just quick.
Snoop Dogg.
He's just quick. Next picture. Watch out. Snoop Dogg. Oh, who's this cutie pie? Oh, she cutie. I feel like I know the face. It's a singer. Her name is Megan Stallion. For no reason except. Okay, Dufton don't know.
Beyonce?
Very no. Who is it? That's not Mary. Mary J.
Hey, me not telling I know.
Mary J.
Mary grew up and stuck, you know.
She's like wine.
Mary
just
grew up and. You about wine?
Fine wine.
Go on, you hear?
Next. Oh!
Oh, this is
Eddie Murphy.
Yeah.
You didn't know you were stuttering.
No, yeah.
You had no clue.
No.
Next, we have. Ooh. Is that Nene Leakes?
Me don't know who that.
Some people, thank God for aging.
She should have never been a baby.
She'll just come out adult. Just come out ready.
Yeah, she'll just come out an adult.
Nene, we love you. Oh.
Come on.
That is not common. You are lying. That is not common.
Well, no, that was uncommon.
Uncommon. That was very uncommon. That's common? You guys didn't get that home either.
From?
Oh, there's
that's where we get that laugh there from. Don't get the back or throat. Whoa.
Next.
Next.
I'm not saying. Oh, that's what's your name? American top model. Yes, Tyra.
Me said first.
No, I said it. No, that's not fair. American top model. That's mine. You stole my point.
You said American top model. I said Tyra. Get him, Roman Raisin.
That is my girl. Damn it. Black actress. She's so cute, and she's in that movie Girls Trip. She's the loud.
No, okay.
No, see, I'm helping him again.
Oh snap! It's not
Sunny. It's not Sana.
It's not Sana.
It's not Sunny. Sana.
Regina.
Yes.
Go bow.
No, I told you that too.
Go bow.
I hate you.
Go bow.
Guys, you know I just gave him the last two. So you know really
You're not giving me nothing.
You're
not giving me nothing. You're coming like
see, I'm so kind.
You're coming like Portia. Next. I mean, not our former prime minister.
I don't know what he's talking about. Is that a white person?
This is
Okay.
this is Western girl.
Who's Western girl?
What's your name? Dolly Parton.
I did not see that at all. Dufton, what you riding the horse over there?
Whoop!
No, it's not fair because I feel like I'm really winning. Okay, what's the next one?
A 5-3, you know.
It's not, you know.
It's
Ooh!
5-3.
I feel like I know the face too. I feel like I know the
This
face.
is not. This is Cube.
It's not Bow Wow.
No, that's not.
Oh, I'm out.
He's Jamaican.
Baller. Which baller do I know that's Jamaican? None.
Footballer.
He has a Clarks.
Oh, this is Raheem.
You don't know either. You just no, Odessa, that's not fair. Cause you're giving him help. That's not fair. No.
6-3.
My
Just
boy.
like a baller.